Hi everyone, this is Meela Vijay Pense and let's see what the month of October 2020 has in store for the sun sign Taurus. For Taurians in general, you have to understand that no matter whatever decisions that you may be wanting to take from the start of the month to the end of the month, they have to be extremely very carefully thought upon for a very longer period of time. Do not make small term plans or short goals or something of that sort in this month. Rather, think very big, think at least of a minimum 5-year plan. Think of it very, very thoroughly, think of it very meticulously, and then probably take the action in the next month, not in the month of October. October is basically all about thinking, planning, but not executing. Moving on to the workspace, this month for some of the Taurians could be a month where you could be expecting a promotion, where you've been really being observed by your seniors and let's say the top officials in your company for quite some long time, and there could be news that probably at the end of the month you could be promoted, or there could be a nice promotion or a salary raise for you that could make you very happy. For some Taurians, this month could be a month where you could have realized that it's high time that you need to change your workplace or then the nature of your entire career itself. You might feel as if probably you've really done enough on this particular body of work, and now you might actually want to change your entire career itself. And obviously this becomes a very, very big decision, and hence the monthly theme for the Taurus is to think about the big decisions they are about to make on a very long term basis. Do all the planning and careful calculation, but execute it the next month. There's also a possibility you might feel that the current workplace in which that you are working, you are actually done trying and doing everything, and that if you continue in the current workspace, things might get a little bit stagnant for you. So you might be under the you might be thinking whether to resign or not to resign, whether to resign probably after next 2 months or to stay back. So whatever the decision is, think about it, think carefully about the pros and cons from all the sides, and then come to a decision by the end of the month end, but do execute it only in November, not in October. Moving on to finances. Finances for the Taurians are not troublesome actually, but what is going to happen is the management of the finances is going to be more worrisome than actual availability of the finances. So it's not that you don't have the required finances, but somewhere down the line you might make a mistake in prioritizing which expenses to be done first and which is to be done later. So in order to not go through this financial inconvenience, it would be advised that you actually write down the priorities of your expenses, think over which is important, which is not important, execute it absolutely accordingly. So what will happen is, if you take care of your finances in the chronological order of the way they are actually meaning to be well spent, you could be actually financially sailing smoothly by the end of the month without any unnecessarily financial stress. Moving on to the area of relationships. For Taurians who are single, there is a chance that someone might just drop you a message, or a light conversation could be the start of something a little bit more deeper. However, this is not the month for giving commitments. Rather, this is the month to nicely let the conversation turn more into something more deep. Give it its time. Do not hurry. Do not over expect. Rather, it is more of like, sipping the wine slowly and just letting the taste sit in your palate. So this month is going to be very good for singles, because you're going to meet someone and you might actually feel an instant emotional connect with them. So enjoy the connect. Don't get so easily into the don't hurry for commitment or anything of that stuff. Just enjoy the journey. For married couples, it is a very, very good chance to get into the books of your partner by actually spending the entire month pampering them. You could actually you will actually see the joy on your partner's face when you actually pamper them like a little child. So this is the month for married couples to really bond on an emotional level together, much more in a better way, by pampering your partner. When it comes to the health department, finally you will realize that your health concerns, if any, have began bothering you to an extent that you might now really take some kind of a firm decision for it. Even in the health department, there are chances you might not really speak to anybody about it. You would take your own time. If in case you are into some kind of a routine like binge watching or binge eating or something which is really not very good for your health and is rather detrimental, you will think about it very seriously. You will take your own time for the entire month, but at the end of the month you are going to start you're actually going to start chalking out a very nice healthy routine and regime for yourself, and you will be actually happy and pleased with the results. So health wise, this is a month for a lot of thinking and a lot of planning, and in general also there is a lot of planning, thinking, calculating and setting your goals for the Taurians for the month of October 2020. So all you Taurians, have an extremely beautiful and a blessed month ahead.